Hello there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have been missing from action, but trust me, there was a lot going on. But I'm going to try my level best to keep you updated with what's happening, about the latest trends, and how you can look and feel your best every single day. I'm Ishita Saluja, co-founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy, and I help women across the globe to elevate their style and feel confident every single day. In fact, a couple of years back, it was my biggest challenge too, to figure out what are the jeans that are going to work for me. Now we live in a world which is full of information, which is full of a lot of different kind of products. So let's talk about the variety of jeans to start with. I know this can be overwhelming. There is bootcut, there is wide leg, there is straight, there is crop, there is slim, there is skinny. It's endless, and I hear you. And this is why I'm going to help you today to figure out what jeans are going to be your best friends. Because let's be real, I particularly feel that finding the right jeans can be as good as finding the right partner, because let's just say it, the right fit can make you feel best every single day. And also not to forget that jeans are the basic of your wardrobe, and it can help you create so many looks. Also, they are everyday staple. So if we have a variety of jeans or the right pair of jeans that we can easily match and mix, trust me, the hassle of I don't know what to wear, it doesn't look good on me, really goes away. Before we deep dive into it, we also need to understand that everybody has a different body type. Again, I was struggling with this to understand for the longest time, when I understood that if I wear a particular jeans that can really flatter my height, my body type, it can be game changing. So first, before we even go ahead and I start talking about the endless jeans options, and by the end of the video, you will be able to get what is that jeans that you are going to pick, and it is going to be your favorite staple throughout. Before I go ahead, I want you to quickly hit the subscribe button, because trust me, there's a lot of back-end work that we do, and we really want to bring the right content to the women. So do not forget to hit the bell icon and of course the subscribe button, so that you are updated with what's happening and how you can feel elevated and confident every single day. Now, you have to understand one particular thing, that we primarily work with 5 body shapes. The internet is again filled with more and more body shapes every passing day, but trust me, we do not need it. I'm going to simplify it in the easiest of way, and I truly wish that somebody had made this video for me. It would have been so much easier and more practical for me, and that's why I decided to make this video for you. And not only this, with the right strategy that I'm going to give you, a lot of my clients have personally found it so useful, because it's not going to be a cookie cutter. I'm going to keep on talking as I talk about different body shapes and different jeans and who else can wear it. So listen to it very carefully. If needed, go get your notes, and I am going to get going. Now you also need to understand that what is your body type and which category do you fall into. I've already done a detailed video on this. There are a couple of videos on body types and how to figure out which is yours. I'm going to tag the latest one right here. I would recommend go watch it first and understand what is your body type, and then come back so I can take you through the entire understanding of jeans. Make sure you watch it till the end, because there's going to be a lot of mixing and matching of different body shapes and the jeans that they can wear. Now let's deep dive into the first body type, which is called the hourglass. Now you know, for people who are hourglass body shape, it means their shoulder, chest and hip are in one line, and their waist is comparatively smaller, about like let's say 25%. So if you have a natural dent, just do this and feel if you have that great curve, not only when you see it but also when you feel it and when you measure it, you know you're an hourglass. अब ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जब हम एक hourglass body की बात करते हैं, we just need to accentuate their waistline. पर एक सिंपल सा लॉजिक और भी है, जीन्स अकेले सिर्फ शेप से डिफाइन नहीं की जा सकती, राइट? वी ऑल्सो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारी हाइट क्या है, और ऑल्सो कि हमें हाई वेस्ट पहननी है, मिड वेस्ट की लो वेस्ट. तो एक सिंपल सा इसका मैं फॉर्मूला देती हूँ. अगर आप शॉर्ट हाइटेड हो और अगर आपको वाइड लेग जीन्स पहननी है, right? When I say short heighted, I mean if you are less than 5'3", which is my height, I would wear my wide leg jeans with heels if I want to look taller. ये याद रखना, जितनी jeans wide होती जाएगी उतना आपकी height कम लगती जाएगी. So if you're somebody who's comfortable with looking shorter than you are, it's absolutely okay. You can wear it without even heels. But for somebody like me, I'd like to add a little bit length because I like polished look. That's why I will add heels if I'm wearing wider legs. Now, if you're an hourglass but you're conscious about your stomach, which you can also call your secondary body shape, then you need something which is mid-waist than wearing something very high waist. Another tip that I would like to give you while choosing your jeans, please pick up the right size. आपको jeans में जब ऐसे बहुत fit होके tight करके अपने आप को बंद करना पड़े, trust me, irrespective of your body shape, it's not going to look flattering. So number 1 rule is right size. Number 2 rule, look at the length. Number 3, understand what do you want to bring focus on and where do you want to take away the focus from. Now, in an hourglass body, waist has to be the focus, to mid to high waist, and stomach you want to take away attention. Just in case you're conscious, then wear something which has enough space here. But remember, a little bit of stomach is absolutely fine. We're all human beings, we eat, we chill, and you don't have to be so conscious all the time. But trust me, this is going to be your best bet. A high waist jeans which falls straight on your legs, which is not only going to accentuate your waist but also your thighs. Another jeans that I can recommend that you should try has to be a bootcut jeans. Again, very cinching, very flattering. Or if you're not conscious about your stomach at all, you could also do skinny jeans. Skinny jeans को भी अगर आपने पहनना है and you really want to accentuate your lower body, you could do like a nice t-shirt, and trust me, it's going to really flatter your body type. But whatever rules I have told you, I want you to follow them. Also, I have something quick to tell you. If you really want to understand all of this in a long detail, then I have something very special for you. On 13th of April, we are doing a free masterclass which is going to help you change your style completely. You're going to understand your body shape. You're going to understand your personal style. Trust me, personal style is as important, or let me just put it this way, more important than your body type. You're going to understand how to create a wardrobe that reflects you, your lifestyle, your body shape, your personal style, and also understanding that where is it that you're actually going wrong and what is making you feel so frustrated all the time. And the best thing, you're also going to learn how to do mixing and matching. Trust me, this is a free masterclass, and I promise you, you are going to have so much learning and you will find the solution to all your dressing problem. Not only that, you will feel more confident and elevated the moment the workshop gets over. So if you want to sign up, which is highly recommended, I'm going to leave a barcode here, a scanner here. Just go ahead, sign up. It's a free webinar and you are going to learn so much, and I can't wait to share more and more details on it because it's going to be a 3-hour webinar. Now let's talk about triangular shape body, which is also me. Now for people who are triangular shape body, we all know that the hip is the widest part. The only thing we need to do is to balance it. Now, one of the easiest way to balance it is wearing a dark wash jeans, which can be very slimming and also balancing. You could do any wide leg jeans or mini flare, which I am wearing. Now, the flare takes away the attention from the hip area and also balances the upper and the lower body. The other thing that I have done is I have made sure that I am wearing a dark wash jeans, which is fitting me but not skimming on me. Now, what happens is if you end up wearing a skinny jeans, it is going to make sure that the width is more evident in you than your length, and this is something we would never want. Make sure whatever jeans you choose either is balancing your upper body or is taking away attention from the lower body. That should be your key. Now, talking about the length, again we will keep it very simple. If you are short, we are going to make sure that our ankle are visible while wearing a mini flare, and mini flares are usually cropped jeans and you can easily find them in brands like Zara or H&M. And if you want to wear wide leg and if you're short, then I would either suggest tuck in your top or make sure you add heels. But if you're not a heel person, just go ahead, tuck in your t-shirt, you'll still be fine, because at the end of the day, we always talk about balancing your overall look. If that is done, we are good to go. But If you want to wear light wash as well, I'm not going to take that away from you. You can choose light wash, but remember, light wash might add a little bit of width, because lighter color can add width and darker colors take away the width. So choose wisely, but remember, anything which flares out and takes away attention from your hip and thigh area would be your best friend. Again, if you're conscious about your stomach and you still want to bring attention on the waist, you can always borrow your jeans from the hourglass body shape as well. Now let's talk about the round body shape. सबसे पहला, let's remove a misconception that round body shape means that you are just generally a plus size person. That's not what we call a round body shape. Usually people who gain weight over a period of time become rectangular body shape, which I'm going to discuss in the next body shape jeans. But for people who are round body shape, remember, all your weight naturally comes on your midsection and your arms and legs would be smaller than the rest of your body, and the most weight is on your midsection and stomach, and this is what is called a round body shape. Now let's go back to the logic of selecting jeans. While you're selecting jeans, the idea has to be, it has to naturally balance you, sit on your waist, taking away attention from your concerned area. Now naturally, if you're somebody who's a round body shape, you do not want the attention on the round area of your body, which is the stomach. Now I would suggest one simple thing. Rather than choosing the style of jeans in terms of wide leg, straight leg, I would suggest you do this instead. Number one, do not go for very high waisted or very low waisted jeans. Think of it. If you are wearing a low waisted jeans, all the attention is going to come on stomach if you wear something cropped, if you even wear a shirt, because it is going to sit on the lower part and dig in, making sure that the upper part is more evident. Now if we go ahead and wear like super high waisted, something which is here on this part, what it will do is it's going to sit on this waist, making sure that this area is again highlighted. We don't want either. Remember, I don't even want you to go ahead and think which style I want. I want you to think which is going to take away attention from stomach, which is going to be your mid-waist jeans. It is going to sit naturally on your waist. I'm going to give you a tip, but this is for everybody. Make a 3-finger, just check your navel and do the 3-finger rule. 3-finger is actually your natural waist. Wherever it sits, it's going to be your mid waist and it is going to work perfectly for you. Now coming to the style of the jeans, you could wear light wash, dark wash, but preferably something which is not skimming or digging in your body, something which is away from your body. That is going to be your perfect bet. You could do straight, you could do wide. Again, depending on your height, which one do you want to select is also going to be very important. Like I keep saying, it's not only your shape, it's also your height and your concerned area. Now, if you're not really concerned about your belly showing a little bit, you can go ahead and also wear skinny or borrow a triangular jeans as well. So learn to borrow from other body shape, but keep in mind, what do you want to bring focus on? What do you want to take away focus from? And your height. I know this could be a lot to soak in, and that's why we have decided to give you a free webinar for 3 hours where we are going to teach you not only your body shape but also your kind of style that you can pick up in your wardrobe, understanding how to shop those styles, how to mix and match and have endless looks for yourself, and basically just become your best version and exactly know what to wear when. And this is why this free webinar is going to be the gateway where you elevate yourself in each aspect. Go ahead, it's going to be on 13th of April and you are going to feel more confident after that. I'm going to attach a scanner bar. Just go ahead and scan it and sign up and register yourself for the free webinar. I'm very, very excited for it. And now we talk about rectangular body shape. So now that you understand कि rectangular body shape होता क्या है, it means where you lack curves. तो simple सा logic है, बस curve add करना है. इसके लिए the best answer is, you guessed it right, it has to be the high-waisted jeans. Basically, we just need to create a little more definition. अब rectangular body shape भी दो type की होती है. एक होती है lean rectangular body, think of अनुष्का शर्मा. And दूसरी, some people who gain weight over a period of time, think about the comedian Bharti. Now both of them are rectangular body shape. The only thing is one of them lacks waist because she is very lean and the other one lacks waist because they have gained weight over a period of time. The whole answer is that we need to understand that we need a little bit of waist definition. Now, mom jeans are going to be your best friends if you are a rectangular shaped body. Now you do see that how nicely they are adding that curve and making that waist appear better. Also, एक simple सी चीज जो आपको avoid करनी है if you're a rectangular shaped body is that please low waist jeans को बिल्कुल thank you बोल दो, because again already waist lag कर रही है और मैं low waist jeans पहन लूंगी जो मेरे natural waist से काफी नीचे है. It will make my torso look longer and will just make it look very unbalanced kind of a situation which we do not want. And if you're a mid-size or a plus size rectangular shaped body, my idea would be, number one, you know whom to borrow it from, the round body shape. You can definitely go and try what round body shapes are wearing. Maybe just make the waist an inch higher, but mid waist will also work for you. Just make sure that it is not snugging you a lot, right? It just fitting you right so that your back doesn't look too straight and you don't look too boxy. It just makes you look perfect and balanced. Remember one key once again that I'm going to tell you: learn to borrow from other body shape, because what your concern might be would also be another person's just full body shape. So that is going to be the key tip in this entire video. And now let's talk about the final body shape, but also the trickiest body shape, which is an inverted triangle, meaning people who have broader upper body but they have no weight on their lower body, meaning hips, thighs are relatively much smaller than the upper body. They usually gain weight on the chest area and stomach area. Now, one simple answer to this, and if you have been listening to this video from the beginning, you know what to wear already, because we are going by logics. We need something which flares out. Why? Because we do not want the imbalance of the body to show while wearing something which is too tight. For example, if I'm wearing a t-shirt with a skinny jeans and if I have an inverted triangular shaped body, it is going to look very unflattering. Why? Because there is no volume on the lower body and upper body has all the volume. What do we need to do? Balancing. So just wear something which is light wash, because light wash jeans would always enhance the width. This is what we need to add here. And the other thing is, avoid anything which is skinny, wear something which flares out. You know how to choose the right length for you. You can go ahead and choose mid-waist and high waist. If you're conscious about your stomach, you can go back to the round body shape, pick up the right kind of jeans that flares out and creates a balance. As simple as that. Now also, if you realize कि मैंने पूरे time जब भी jeans पहनी, I made sure that I was tucking in. Of course, when we do not tuck in the jeans, the stomach area would not be visible. So that is also one choice. But remember, अगर मैं कोई भी jeans पहन रही हूँ और मैं t-shirt उसके ऊपर एकदम snug करके पहन रही हूँ, and I am conscious about my stomach area or my hip area, it is going to become more evident. That means if you want to wear something with the jeans and you don't want to tuck in, just make sure that you wear a flowy shirt that creates an equal balance. Your stomach would not be visible, your thighs would not be visible. You'd only need to look at the right kind of length for yourself. It is as simple. सबने इसको बहुत complicated बना रखा है, और इस complication को हटाने के लिए ही, like I said, we are doing the free webinar. Trust me, it is going to be life changing and it is free. So go ahead, go to the scanner and register yourself. ये बहुत सारी information है, but I want you to start thinking logically and do not go by a cookie cutter. Because एक cookie cutter से अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप यही jeans पहनोगे और आपकी यही body shape है, trust me, it's not going to work. Because as an individual, we are not only just a body shape, right? There is much more to us. We have style, we have a lifestyle, we have a variation, and so much more that goes into while we are styling ourselves. So it's important to consider everything together and then choose the right jeans for you. I really hope that you are getting what you wanted to understand when it comes to selecting the right jeans for yourself. Trust me, it has taken me a lot of years and a lot of time to understand what jeans work the best for which body type or style. And you know, I really wish that somebody had made this video for me earlier which spoke about logics and not just about shape. That is why I always keep saying I want to spread this information to as many women as we can, and this is the reason I want you to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell icon and share it with the friends who might need it. Share it with as many as you can, because we really can help each other, because I do believe when women support women, great things happen. I really hope you enjoyed this video and made the right notes, and now you will exactly know what jeans to wear. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.